So I'm going to be unboxing the Nitasa USB-C HDMI cable. This is cable that's made in China that I ordered from Amazon. So let's open this up. So this cable will be used to connect to a TV or projector. It has an HDMI port and you can connect the USB-C to say it says compatible laptops, MacBooks, iPad Pro that has USB-C, Chromebook, and all different types of laptops and even some mobile devices. This is the box that comes with, and this is the cable itself. So this cable is pretty heavy duty. It's very sturdy. It seems like it's made of some type of fabric, maybe nylon. Comes with Velcro clip holder. And you even have the protector for the connection ends. So this goes to the USB port at a TV or projector, and this will go to the laptop or phone. And I wonder if it works with some kind of switch, but check another time. Yep. So it's not as flexible as a regular wire, but it's definitely protected a lot more, so I don't have to worry about the cord ripping. And let's see, it's pretty long. I'm not sure to say how long it is in the box. Alright, but if I had to guess, it'll probably be, see, it says 1 feet, 2 feet, 3 feet, 4. I'll say it's about 5 feet of wire, which should be long enough. Okay, so that's the USB-C to HDMI cable.